Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to get a sharp jawline for men. A chiseled jawline is a desirable feature that many men strive for, as it can enhance their appearance and give them a more defined look. So if you're interested in learning some tips and tricks on how to achieve this look, then keep watching. Step 1. Lose excess weight. The first step in getting a sharp jawline is to lose excess weight, especially around the face. When you lose weight, the fat on your face also decreases and your jawline becomes more prominent. So try to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly to achieve this. Step 2. Do jaw exercises. Another way to get a sharp jawline is to do jaw exercises. These exercises help strengthen the muscles in your face and make your jawline more defined. Some popular jaw exercises include chewing gum, jaw clenching, and neck stretches. The third step, maintain good posture. Good posture can also contribute to a sharper jawline. When you sit or stand up straight, you elongate your neck and make your jawline more prominent. So try to maintain good posture throughout the day. Next, hydrate yourself. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining healthy skin and a sharp jawline. When you're dehydrated, your skin can look dull and saggy, which can make your jawline less defined. So make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin hydrated. Tip 5. Avoid salt and alcohol. Lastly, avoid consuming too much salt and alcohol. These substances can cause your body to retain water, which can make your face appear bloated and less defined. So try to limit your intake of salty foods and alcoholic drinks. And that's it for our video on how to get a sharp jawline for men. Remember, a chiseled jawline takes time and effort to achieve. But with the right diet, exercise, and skincare regimen, you can make progress towards your goal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.